Konnichiwa, travel maniacs. As the day winds down and a crisp spring breeze fills the air, this was our final adventure in Kyoto before heading back to Osaka. And what a magical way to end it. We made our way to the iconic Nijo Castle for the NAKED Sakura Festival, where history meets light and tradition dances with technology. Cherry blossoms illuminated by art installations, projection mapping, and a peaceful glow of lanterns turned this UNESCO World Heritage Site into a surreal dreamscape. Join us as we walk through this unforgettable nighttime Hanami experience, one that perfectly wraps up our spring journey in Kyoto. If you are planning to visit, here's what you need to know. The event runs from mid-May to mid-April with evening illuminations from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. The best time to visit is usually late March to early April, when the cherry blossoms are in full bloom. Weekday tickets cost about 2,000 yen, while weekends and peak dates go up to 2,800 yen. So book early to save and avoid crowds. The festival transforms this UNESCO World Heritage Site with projection mapping, lanterns, and interactive light art, making it one of Kyoto's most magical spring events. Here's a quick tip: wear comfortable shoes. Some of the paths are uneven or covered with pebbles, so good footwear makes a difference. To end our time in Kyoto, we'll be visiting Nijo Castle for the Naked Light Festival. This is in conjunction of the Sakura Festival. So, yeah, what better way to wrap up the Kyoto Lake with some night activities with a chilly weather and under the stars. Let's go check it out. So we will be covering this, all of this. So this display is called Minami Mon Gate Yatai Area. So you can purchase some food and snacks to picnic under the stars. And this is one of the picnic area. Okay, after the wall display, you'll be greeted by some trees, some sakura trees, I assume. And let's find out what's the next display all about. Garden of Spring Thunder, Cherry Grove. So that's all from Kyoto. As you can see, I'm covered up. It's pretty cold. It's 3 degrees Celsius right now. Alright, thank you. Yeah. So we're heading back to Osaka. And yeah, that's it from Kyoto. So we're signing out from Kyoto. See you on our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. That's all, and we'll see you again when we're back in Osaka. Take care and travel safe.